Yeah, so right now we are on CADCHF and we are in little profit right now. We've been on profit. We were on drawdown before because I started with 50,000. Then I lost two trade. But right now, I guess we're heading back to profit because I'm looking at $2,800 profit here. So let's see what we are right now. So we are on $1,000 profit. And I'm guessing why this is not stable together is because they've deducted $40 from my profit, which is for the swap fee. This is $40.47. So let's leave it and come back. You know what we do here: set and forget. We set it and we forget it. Is either it hit the stop loss or take us to profit. Meanwhile, my stop loss was on this upper week, but I've bring it down to this other um, resistant level. So I'm still looking for the market to just break through this support level here. Once it breaks through the support level, then creating a resistance under it, then I'll bring my stop loss to break even. Then we'll leave it and see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess I need to take some partial profit. Maybe I'll just take half of the profit and let the rest run. Oh, see, right. See, this is where we are right now. We are on 926. $926. So I will take let me take partial profit. I'm trying to take partial profit here. So let me just take partial profit. Then if I see another opportunity to enter, then I might enter again. But let me take what I'm saying for now. Then if I get to another opportunity, because I'm still looking at here for a retest on this position. Looking for a retest here. Yeah. So that's why I'm looking at the retest. So if the market can break below this green line, this green indicator I put here, then if the market break below it, taking up this liquidity and retesting, then we'll go to the downside. Then I'll add more positions. Maybe I'll add positions once it has broken this. I'll start up more positions. But for now, I've taken partial profits. I've taken partials. Yeah, so guys, we are back. And what are we seeing here? We're seeing our market is moving directly the way we predicted. We see this line here. But let me bring out the arrow. Do you see this line I put here? This particular line itself. This where this arrow is pointing. This line. I said once the market pass there, because that level is a very key level. So I said once the market pass there and retest, we'll enter. But with the way we are seeing, the market pass there with a very strong momentum. A very strong momentum, and it's heading down to our take profit position. And meanwhile, I've already taken a partial profit. So let's go and check what will be on our trade now. So boom, right now we're on $900. Um, let me say we're on $950 right now after I've taken profit because I took profit. I took profit. I took partial profit of $466. I took partial profit and I hold the remaining. So I'm waiting for a pullback, maybe a pullback to this particular zone before I can enter for our sell position. So let's come back and see what the market has done, if the market will hit our take profit. So I will have to bring down my stop loss to break even. I have to set it to break even now. So my stop loss is on break even. So this is a risk free trade right now. I've taken partial profit and now the market is going boom. It's going very hard. So we'll come back. Yeah, so guys, we are back again. Remember when I told you guys that we are waiting for the market to retrace back to that key level? Remember when I told you guys that we are waiting for the market to retrace back to this key level? Then from there, we can enter another position to take it down to our take profit. And now the market is respecting our setup. So when we go to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see another candle opening. And if you watch, you see a very big liquidity has already touched that key level. So let's see on the 30 minutes time frame. See, it's still going. So I will just have to wait and be patient. Let's see what the market, let's see the price action that will happen here. Then we'll enter. As you can see, on the 15 minutes time frame, it is already retracing, but I will still have to wait. I'll wait, let another candle close. This candle that just opened, I'll wait for it to close for confirmation if I'm going to sell or I will still hold on. But for now, I've taken stop my stop loss. I've broken even and now I'm even in profit on the stop loss. So I'm in profit of 100 and so 155. So if the market go against me and hit my stop loss, I'll come out with a profit of $155 instead of going back to in losing trade. I will be in profit. But like I said, our major focus is on this key level. That is where our focus is, on this key level. So we'll just have to wait and watch it very well. Watch the price action there. Check on the 30 minutes time frame. See, 30 minutes time frame, the candle is already showing another bearish candle is trying to open. So we'll just have to wait and be patient. We'll see what the price action will do there. On the 15 minutes time frame, one is already retraced, it's already showing sign of retracement. So this candle that is opening now, I'll also wait for it to close before I enter another position. But right now, it has already touched our key level, and that is where our main focus is now. So we'll go and come back. We're still holding on the trade. We'll, we'll go and come back so we can add another position. But if we break above the key level, then maybe I will just close on with little profit I have, maybe $500 or maybe $400, I will just close it. So far so good. It will be like maybe I came out with $800 profit on this trade, but it's a good trade anyway. So we just have to wait. Let's see what the market is doing. Yeah, so guys, right now we are on 15 minutes time frame, and we saw a trend line, a downward trend line. So we can use the trend line to mark out when we can get out from the market if the market is not more respecting our setup. So um, right now, if you watch here, I set an alert here. So I'm expecting once the market gets to this place, I need to be out of the market. So if the market can break through this trend line, because I'm just seeing some rejection here, some rejection here, some rejection. So I have not entered for the second position. I'm still waiting. Maybe if the another candle can break through below all this liquidity here, then maybe I will find my setup. I will find uh, um, a good position to enter here. Then we can rally down to the downside. But with this trend line, it's giving me an insight of when I can get out from the market if the market is no more respecting what I'm expecting it to do. So if this candle or if any other candle break above this trend line here, break above this trend line, then maybe it touches this alert or break above it, then create another retest here. I will just need to get out from the market. But for now, on this market, we just have to wait because I'm seeing this is so a consolidation here on the 15 minutes time frame. So we just have to wait for the market to just break below or above this. We just have to wait for the market to break below this or above here. Then once it break below this trend line, once it break above this trend line, then we can confirm that the setup is already invalidated. Then I will just head out from the market. But I'm still waiting because I want to enter another position, but I'm not entering position yet. I want to see a market in a candle closing below this key level here. I want to see a market closing below this key level here. A market once a market close below this key level here, then I will enter for another sell. But if the market breaks above this trend line, then I will be looking to head out from the market because um, that should be a change of character because we still have the liquidity here. So we use this to be looking at this line here, this liquidity here. If the market breaks this liquidity here, then I guess the trend has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. So that is it. Yeah, so just as I predicted, I said if the market take out this liquidity, then we will know that this market is already changing structure. But it didn't take out the liquidity if you watch the line very well. It didn't take out the liquidity. And now it has closed below, this candle has closed below this consolidation area here. So right now, um, with a very with a very bearish momentum, a very strong bearish momentum. So I will just have to wait again. Let me see what this candle will do. Then we will just enter because this is already our setup is already getting confirmed. So I will just wait for the for this candle to see what it will do here. It's just this is just 12 minutes for this candle to close. So let me see what it will do. But it has already closed below this um, consolidation area, like I said. So we're just waiting. I'm just waiting. Then I will take my position right now. Although I'm closing all positions this Friday, I don't want to hold it throughout the week. So any position I'm taking now, I'm closing all before the market close for the week. Yo. So we are back right now. So I closed the other trade, the first trade that we've been holding since morning. I closed it. This was the profit, $1,157.46. While the second position I opened is still in profit, but I'm not considering to hold it over the weekend. So we still have 1 hour left before the market will close. But before then, I will just close it. I was waiting for it to come up in profit before I close it because I did not want to pay for any swap fee. So as you can see, the market is just moving bit by bit. This is my this was where I set my stop loss before because this my stop loss is also equivalent to the break even of the first position I held. But now since I've closed that first position, I will just have to close this and be done for the week. Maybe next week we'll look for another setup. Yeah, so let me close it now. We'll look for another setup next week. I don't want to forget it. I will close it now. Yeah, let me close. Yeah, so today, let's see how much we made today. Today we were able to make $1,181 5 cents. So that is it for today. Then I'm looking at some nice setup on wheat and sugar on some commodities. So that we will know as next week will go. But for now, we are done for this week.